So someone just asked you if you're wearing a wig, and now you're frozen, not sure what to say? Here are 10 ways to respond, from sassy to simple, so you can handle the moment. 1. The simple truth. Confidence is key. Yep, I love it, don't you? The playful response. Shh, don't tell anyone. It's my secret superpower. The sass queen comeback. Why, you want one too? Then flip your hair for extra effect. 4. The empowerment statement. Yes, wigs let me express myself however I want. 5. The mysterious vibe. What do you think? Let them wonder. 6. The fun fact approach. Yup. Did you know tons of celebs wear wigs every day? 7. The bold and proud answer. Absolutely, and I look fabulous, don't I? 8. The lighthearted joke. Nope, this is my magical growing hair. Cool, right? 9. The direct and unbothered response. Yep, it's just hair. No big deal. 10. The flip the script move. Why do you ask? Just curious. Puts them on the spot instead. At the end of the day, whether you wear wigs for fun, fashion, or necessity, it's your choice. Own it, love it, and don't let anyone shake your confidence. I hope this was fun. Which response was your favorite? Comment below and like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you next time. I'm Sheila Smith. No, really, I am.